rent agreement is the one document standing between you and a messy landlord-tenant dispute. Here is how to draft one properly in India: the essential clauses, the stamp duty rules, and when registration becomes mandatory. Ever wondered why most Indian rent agreements run for exactly 11 months? Under Section 17(1)(d) of the Registration Act, 1908, any lease of immovable property for a term exceeding 1 year or reserving a yearly rent must be compulsorily registered with the sub-registrar. That means higher stamp duty, registration fees, and both parties appearing in person. Keep the term at 11 months, and you avoid all of that. But remember, even an 11-month agreement must be executed on proper stamp paper to be legally enforceable. Now, the clauses every agreement needs. Property details, the full address, area in square feet, floor number, and a description of the premises. Parties, full names, addresses, and identification details of both landlord and tenant. Tenure, the start date, the end date, and whether the agreement is renewable. Monthly rent, the exact amount, the due date, typically the 1st or 5th of each month, and the accepted payment methods, whether bank transfer, check, or UPI. Then come the clauses people actually fight over. Security deposit, the amount, typically 2 to 10 months of rent, depending on the city and state, the conditions for deduction, and the refund timeline after vacating. Maintenance. Minor repairs usually fall to the tenant, major structural repairs to the landlord. Notice period, usually 1 to 3 months. A lock-in period, during which neither party can terminate. Usage restrictions, including whether subletting is allowed, and an escalation clause, the annual rent increase, typically 5 to 10%. An agreement on plain paper, even one signed by both parties, is not a valid legal instrument under the Indian Stamp Act, 1899. Rates vary by state. In Delhi, for example, stamp duty is typically 2% of the average annual rent for leases up to 5 years, with a registration fee of 1,100 rupees. Most states now offer e-stamping through the Stockholding Corporation of India, SHCIL. Buy the stamp duty online, print the agreement on plain paper, and attach the e-stamp certificate. Far simpler than hunting down a stamp vendor. If your lease term exceeds 11 months, registration with the sub-registrar is mandatory under the Registration Act, 1908. Both landlord and tenant, or authorized representatives holding a power of attorney, must appear with the original agreement on stamp paper, identity proof such as Aadhaar and PAN, address proof, 2 passport-sized photographs each, 2 witnesses with their identity proofs, and the registration fee. Biometric verification happens at the office, and the registered deed is typically returned within 1 to 2 weeks. Whatever the term, both landlord and tenant should retain an original signed copy of the agreement for their records. A clear, complete agreement today is a dispute avoided tomorrow for both sides of the deal. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.